This problem was asked in GATE 2014 set 3. It says that the no load speed of a 230 volt separately excited DC motor is 1400 rpm. This is no load speed. The armature resistance drop and the brush drop are neglected. Just write. So no load speed, let us represent N0 is 1400 rpm. The armature resistance drop, that is IA0 RA, has been ignored. It means 0. This implies IA0 is 0 as armature resistance is non-zero, right? Can't be 0. And the brush drop, okay, if not given, even though we will assume it as 0, VBD, brush voltage drop is 0, neglected. The field current is kept constant at rated value. By default it is constant even though stated or not. The torque of the motor in Newton meter for an armature current of this, okay. So torque is equal to watt at IA is equal to 8 ampere. Fine. So we know that again torque is involved. So our capsule 3 will work here. So we know that this is ratio of EB upon omega or torque upon IA. So by knowing the value of K dash, we can evaluate T at any I, fine, or by anyhow we can evaluate it, right. So try to find out K dash. These are the data. So from N0 we may get omega 0. So try to find out EB0. So this is VT. So EB0 will be equal to terminal voltage 230 minus IA0 RA. This has been ignored in the problem, right? At no load, this is ignored. So this is coming out to be 230, right? AB is known. Now get omega 0. So omega 0 will be 2 pi N0 by 60. So this is coming out to be 2 pi into 1400 upon 60. So this is coming out to be omega 0 in my calculation 146.608. 146.608 146.608 radian per second. Fine. So we can easily get, therefore K dash will be equal to, take at any loading condition. So take no load value upon omega 0. So EB0 is 230 and this is 146.608. So this gives the value of K dash as 1.569. 1.569. 230 by 146.608 gives 1.569. Fine. That's why this T, so T can be, therefore this T can be evaluated as K dash IA, this IA. So K dash we have evaluated 1.569 times at this loading. This gives 1.569 into 8, 12.552. 12.552 Newton meter. Answer. Hope you understood this problem easily.